Good morning, children. How are you all? Hope you all are fine. Okay, I am Radhika, your biology teacher at Dr. Vision School. So, we have started with our revision for the FF1 exams, that is second chapter, that is respiration. Okay, the energy producing system. So, as we are revising that, here again we get to learn about the scientists' works in the beginning, isn't it? What are the important scientists about whom we learn in the beginning? They are Lavoisier. He is the person who has coined the term oxygen. I have explained so much about these two scientists, and similarly Priestley. Whatever works they have carried out. Okay, based on that. And here in this chapter, they may ask questions: what is vitiated air? What is fixed air? Okay, what is fixed air? Carbon dioxide, isn't it? Similarly, what is vitiated air? Uh, that means the air that we release outside after breathing, whatever air we release outside, that is called as vitiated air. So that key term you have to remember. I forgot to tell in the previous video, you have to learn all the keywords and the apart from the keywords, they'll give the summary of the lesson after that, isn't it? That is key points, what we have learned this part. Okay, the summary of the lesson or the key points that you all must read once, because from that they frame one sentence and they may frame as a blank, or they may frame a question based on that and ask you. So easy, you don't have to do anything for that. Only from the lesson you have to read all those key points once. Okay, after every lesson. Okay, so like that they can give. Next one. Here I told about Priestley, and this one what is vitiated fixed ray. Then we have got the anything else we have got here? Nothing. Okay. Then here after that next one is John Draper. This one is also asked. See on page number 26, the chief materials which a living being receives are matter that can be burnt, water and oxygen gas, and out of the action of these upon one another, all the physical phenomena of its life arise. What the body expels out is water, oxide of carbon, that is carbon dioxide, phosphorus, sulfur, and others. So, who has told this? They'll give this paragraph like this and ask you to find out who has told. So that is John Draper, isn't it? So we learn like this. Here again, see after this we get this flow chart again. Okay, so this flow chart, that is events in respiration, you must remember. Next one, this is a commonly asked question, diagram based question asked in the bit. Okay, they will give the same question and diagram, and they'll ask you to label the parts, lime water, and here the other one is water. Or they may ask they may ask you that, or why the lime water has come out. So based on these questions, you must remember any of those questions can be asked from that experiment. Okay, next one, pathway of air. Already I told in the class also this pathway is important, can be asked. They may ask you to write this pathway of air, or they may ask you to write events of respiration. Even for the half mark, they can ask you to write. So you must remember. Then you must remember about the chambers, about the availability of this one. What is that? Lungs. What is the area they are spread in? That is 160 square meters. So such things can be asked from the box. What will happen if the respiratory tract is not moist? Okay. And then are both lungs similar in size? Why? Okay. Why are alveoli so small and uncountable in number? Why? Okay. Or I may give a statement, reason and assertion. Okay, that is correct and one is wrong, like that. Though that also you have to see. Next one you have to go through this breathing, swallowing, this one, this diagram they can give. What is the role of epiglottis? What is the role of diaphragm? Okay, so this inspiration, expiration, anything can be asked. Okay, definition. Okay, next one. Our lungs are on. Next one, they can ask about this diagram is also commonly given and questions asked on that. Next one, they will ask about this one, this table again. See the inhaled air, exhaled air. So here the numbers you will have to fill. Let me give the table, ask you to fill the numbers there. Next one, this equation here, Hb plus O2 gives rise to HbO2, and in the tissues it is HbO2 that breaks down into Hb plus O2. This equation is important, that can be asked. Then what contain the air that will be carrying, the oxygen is carried in the body as in the what cells there it will be carried by? It will be carried by the red blood cells as what? Oxyhemoglobin. So you must remember that term oxyhemoglobin. Okay, and when it is okay, so that you must remember. Then cellular respiration. So in cellular respiration, you must know about aerobic respiration, anaerobic respiration. Again, here the mitochondria diagram has come. So that from that they can give the questions. Okay, labeling of the mitochondria. Already this sequence in this flow chart, anything blanks can be given that you'll have to fill. Then what is why the lactic acid is produced, or why someone tires very quickly. Okay, so this can be given. What is this chart about? Okay, why it reduces again? All these questions based on this, whatever questions are there that you must remember. Next one, anaerobic respiration activities here. Okay, this is very important activity wherein many questions are asked. Okay, why I am telling is this comes for 4 marks, this comes for 2 marks. The same question can come in the bit also. Without giving all this, they will simply give the question in the bit. Okay, why the Janus green is used? Okay, what is the why liquid paraffin is used? Okay, and why the yeast is boiled in cooled glucose? What happens to the lime water? Why it turns milky white? All those based on that, whatever questions are there that you must remember. Next, what is fermentation? Fermentation. What is produced during fermentation? What is produced during fermentation? Carbon dioxide and alcohol, ethanol. Isn't it? About that you must remember. In this activity of the this one here, if we are boiling the glucose directly, what happens? It is combustion process, isn't it? What happens during the combustion process? Okay, why does it stop or not? Why it does not stop? Such questions. Then we, as I told earlier also, this one different respiratory organs. There we have seen the vitamins table. In this chapter, you shall have to learn about the different respiratory organs. For example, cockroach is there. What is the respiratory organ? So, like I can ask as insect, I can ask as cockroach. Sometimes they ask as grasshopper. They can ask as ant. Anything they can ask instead of the same animal. Fishes, what is the respiratory organ? What is branchial system? Okay, what is the respiratory system seen in the frogs, earthworm, man? Like that, any of these can be asked. So I've given everything in a tabular form in the book that you must learn. Next one is important one, respiration in plants. In that they ask about the aeration of roots. What are the aerial roots? Where are they present? Where are they present? They are present in the mangroves. Why? Why are they present there? Because they grow in the waterlogged soil. That means water is there in the soil completely. There is no movement of air in the water. Okay, in the soil. So the roots do not get sufficient oxygen. So they have these aerial roots that you must remember. Here, sprouted seeds with lime water. Okay, this activity also. They can ask any question based on that activity. Okay, here again you have to remember the equation for respiration, opposite of photosynthesis. You must remember the equation for respiration. Both the equations for respiration you must remember. Okay, children. Here the bits once I'll revise. Exhaled air contains dash and dash. What it contains? Contains more of carbon dioxide and what is that? Water vapor. A flap-like muscular valve controls the movement of air and food is, what is that? Epiglottis. Energy currents of the cell is called ATP. Lenticels are the respiratory organs, exist in the dash part of plant. What are they? They are the stem. Okay, whereas stomata are the ones which are present in the leaves. Mangrove trees respire with their, just now I told, what are these? Aerial roots. We will find vocal cords in larynx, pharynx, nasal cavity, trachea. Where are they present? Larynx. Cluster of air sacs in lungs are called alveoli. Which of the following is correct? See this one. Next, respiration is a catabolic process because of breakdown of complex food materials, conversion of light energy, synthesis of chemical energy, energy storage. Catabolic means what? Breakdown of the substances, isn't it? So what it is? Breakdown of complex food materials. Energy is stored in, where is it stored? Nucleus, mitochondria, ribosome, cell wall, where? Mitochondria, isn't it? So sometimes they may ask any question on pranayama, anything. Okay. So like this we have seen in the textbook. So once we shall see in this book what are the different things I can find out for respiration. Previous paper examination bit I shall ask who invented, sorry, this first question is related from third lesson he has given, so I just leave that. Vamsi conducted the experiment shown in the diagram, this experiment. Okay. The temperature in the thermometer rises. Aim of this experiment is dash. This one seeds in that. We are finding what there. CO2 is evolved during germination, heat is evolved during respiration, alcohol is evolved during respiration, CO2 is evolved during respiration. What is the one we are doing? We are finding out. Thermometer we have put, isn't it? We did not put any lime water or anything. So that means what we are doing only for temperature. So we say that heat is evolved during respiration. If he shows the lime water there, then we have to accept the other option, that is CO2 is evolved during respiration. Okay. The percentage of carbon dioxide in exhaled air. I told the table, isn't it? 0.4, 0.04. What it is? 0.4, isn't it? Next one, particulate matter causes kidney problems, joint problems, arthritis, respiratory. Particulate matters means the larger particles that are there in the air. What will they cause? They will cause lung problems, that is respiratory disease. See the next question, the middle step between gaseous exchange at level and tissue level is what? First exchange in the lungs over, second one is exchange in the tissues. In between that, what is the step he has asked? What you have to select? Cellular respiration, breathing, gas transport by blood, lungs expansion. So it is gas transport by blood, isn't it? What happens if there is no epiglottis? We cannot swallow food, food may enter into trachea, we cannot breathe properly, cannot drink water properly. So the answer is food may enter into the trachea. Next, we shall see this one. The components present in exhaled air are carbon dioxide, oxygen, water vapor only, carbon dioxide, water vapor. So what it is present? Carbon dioxide and water. Even oxygen will be present to some extent, but here we consider carbon dioxide and water. We can use lime water to test the presence of carbon dioxide in any experiment because we can notice this change in our observation. Change in color, change in state, change in smell, change in shape. What do we find? We see the change in color, isn't it? Next one, the energy currency of the cell is what? ATP, mitochondria, so it is ATP. The solution used to identify the presence of oxygen in anaerobic respiration experiment is, what do we use? We use diazine green, isn't it? If it is not there, it turns pink color. If it is there, it is normally, though the name is green, but it is actually blue colored. Okay, children? The structural and functional units of the lungs are bronchioles, alveoli, cristae, nephron. It is alveoli. Hemoglobin have the binding capacity with oxygen, SO2, NO2, PO4. So what it is? It is oxygen. The air which helps to burning, which part of the air helps? That is oxygen. The chalky acid, I forgot to tell this chalky acid girl. Air, what is the chalky acid? Carbon dioxide. From pharynx the air goes into, where does it go? From pharynx it goes into the larynx. The volume of chest cavity is increased in this phase. Expiration, respiration, inspiration, all the above. When does it increase? Chest cavity volume, it increases during the inspiration process. The percentage of carbon dioxide in exhaled air, 0.04 to 0.03%, isn't it? The protein that binds oxygen in blood is hemoglobin. The percentage of oxygen in exhaled air is how much? 16%. So the table is very important. At a height of 13 kilometers above the sea level, the concentration of oxygen is what? High or less? Less, very less, isn't it? So like this, identify the correct statement or, okay children. So shall I ask more questions? Here only MCQs he has given more of that. The scientists who did a comprehensive work on properties of gases were those John Draper and Johnson, Joseph Priestley and Lavoisier, Ingenhouser and Engelmann, Pelletier and Cavendish. Yes, Priestley and Lavoisier. Okay. Then respiration occurs in which part? Which organelles of the cell? Chloroplast, cytoplasm, mitochondria, all of these. It is mitochondria. Next one. Alveoli are present in skin, trachea, gills, lungs. It is lungs. Respiration in amoeba occurs by transpiration, osmosis, diffusion, inhalation. What is it? Yes, it is diffusion. In bacteria, cellular respiration occurs in where it will occur? Cytoplasm, mitochondria, nucleus, none of these. It will occur only in the cytoplasm. Okay, children? Next one, terrestrial animals take oxygen from pond, river, air, sea. They take from the air. Cutaneous respiration occurs in cockroach, earthworm, crab, parrot. Which one? Earthworm, correct. Skin has no respiratory role in earthworm, lizard, frog, salamander. Cutaneous respiration does not have. Skin has no respiration. That means it is cutaneous. Cutaneous, where it will occur? It occurs in the earthworm, we know. Frog, does it occur or not? Yes, it occurs. So similar to that is salamander. It is also aquatic. So there also it will occur. In the lizard, it will not occur because lizard is a reptile. In lizard, it will occur by the lungs only, just like us. Okay. Next, amphibious animal. Which is the amphibious animal? Leech, earthworm, frog, cockroach. Which it is? It is frog. Amphibious means which lives both on land and water. A flap-like structure over the windpipe. What is it? That is epiglottis. Gills are the respiratory organs in fish, frog, pigeon, butterfly. All of you know, isn't it? Fish. Trachea are found in earthworm, cockroach, fish, frog. They are found in cockroach. The rate of respiration in a newborn child. Okay, this I don't remember. Just check it once. 18 times, 30 times, 26 times, 16 times. I don't remember this one. I have to just check it. Okay. Next one. The structure that plays major role in respiratory movement is what? Respiratory movement is diaphragm, not epiglottis. Respiratory movement is diaphragm. Okay. Please find out the rate of respiration in newborn child. I forgot actually. So I'm just checking it. You all can find out. Sometimes we tend to forget the things, number. Where it is. Okay. I'll just find out and tell you in the next video. Okay. The structure that this is over. Pulmonary respiration occurs through pulmonary means what? Lungs. Skin, gills, trachea, lungs is the answer. Photosynthesis takes place in cytoplasm, chloroplast, mitochondria, nucleus. It is the mitochondria. Okay. Respiration takes place in the presence of light, chlorophyll, optimum temperature, moisture. What is needed? Among these, what is important is to some extent moisture. Light does not affect, chlorophyll does not affect, temperature does not affect. Okay. Lenticels are this one we have completed. Breathing roots are present in aquatic plants, mangroves. So they are mangroves, terrestrial plants and desert plants. The answer is mangroves. Next one, the term respiration was derived from the Latin word respire. A textbook of human physiology was written by a famous chemist called, who is it? Lavoisier, William Harvey, John Draper, Joseph Priestley. It is John Draper. This one we completed. Okay. Next one, the element present in hemoglobin is, okay, magnesium chloride, iron, molybdenum. It is iron. The total lung capacity of human beings is how much? 4600 ml, 5800 ml, 500 ml, 1200 ml. It is 5800 ml. Okay. In eukaryotic cells, cellular respiration occurs in mitochondria, cytoplasm. In eukaryotic cells, so where it will occur? It will occur in the mitochondria. Okay, each ATP molecule gives an energy equal to 7200 calories. What is the most commonly used sugar for deriving energy in living organisms? Fructose, glucose, galactose, starch. It is glucose. Okay, children. Next one, just a minute. The first stage in oxidation of glucose is called, what is it called? Krebs cycle, electron transport, glycolysis, all of this. It is called as glycolysis. If second next one, if oxygen is not available, pyruvic acid is converted into either lactic acid, ethyl alcohol, nitric acid, both A and B. What is correct? It is, yes, correct. A and B, that is lactic acid and ethyl alcohol. Accumulation of this results in muscular pain. What? Citric acid, nitric acid, lactic acid, hydrochloric acid. It is lactic acid. Okay, next one, we can remove dissolved oxygen from glucose solution by, how can we remove? By heating. Okay, filtration, distillation, heating, decantation. Do you remember we had heated the glucose solution? That yeast experiment is there, no? In that we heat the glucose. That answer, see how he has asked here. The first part of human respiratory system is pharynx, bronchus, lungs, nose. What is the first part? Very easy question, no? Nose. This plays an important role in the movement of respiratory parts in males. Okay, ribs, diaphragm, lungs, chest cavity. Helps in the movement of respiratory organs in males. Ribs, diaphragm. Both ribs will help and also the diaphragm. Both will help. Identify the stage of anaerobic respiration. Krebs cycle, dark reaction, light reaction, fermentation. What is it? Anaerobic respiration means it is fermentation. What is the respiration method in amoeba? Diffusion, pressure, osmosis, all of these. It is diffusion. Next one, the tracheal respiratory system is present in worms, insects, snails, frogs. So, trachea is present in all the insects. Okay. Next one, Ravi pasted wax on the lower side of the leaf. This inhibits the following process. What it will inhibit? Respiration, photosynthesis, excretion, transport. So what is the options? 1 and 2, 2 and 3, 3 and 4, 2 and 4. So what it is going to inhibit? First of all, you have to remember that is respiration and photosynthesis. Okay, respiration and photosynthesis both. It is 1 and 2 because carbon dioxide oxygen cannot be exchanged. Okay, these are the respiratory organs in aquatic animals like crocodile and dolphin. What are they? Crocodile is a reptile, dolphin is a mammal. So in both will have the lungs as respiratory organ. The option is lungs. Gills, skin, lungs, trachea. So the option is lungs. Next one, if we go on remove the formed lactic acid in muscles, okay, their muscles get relieved, they will not get any pain. Okay, identify the correct statement. High energy is released during anaerobic respiration. No, oxygen depth arises in anaerobic respiration. Ethanol is formed in, yes, that is correct. Ethanol is formed in anaerobic respiration. Mitochondria participates in anaerobic respiration, even that is wrong. Okay, oxygen depth increases, isn't it? When oxygen depth increases, then it will go into anaerobic respiration. So here the correct statement is ethanol is formed in anaerobic respiration. Next, Likita made an experiment that carbon dioxide is liberated during respiration, but the lime water in it is not changed to milky white. What is the error she made by her? She tightened the cap of the bottle, made an experiment that carbon dioxide liberated during respiration. She is checking, no, so she has to take lime water into milky white. Okay, that has to change into milky white. It did not. Why? She took lime water in a small beaker. No, that is not true. She took seeds that are germinated. She applied wax around the cap of the bottle. She tightened the cap of the bottle. Okay. She has to not tighten the wax around. She has applied wax around the cap of the bottle. She did not apply wax on the bottle. Also, okay, that is the one. Next one, number of lobes present in the left lung. That is 3. The volume of the dove increased in bread preparation due to dash. Diffusion, fermentation, distillation, evaporation. It is fermentation. The oxygen is taken by single-celled organisms from, okay, from what? Air, soil, water, both air and water. They can take from both air and water. In cockroaches, air enters through the spiracles. Small openings are there in the cockroaches. They are called as spiracles. Important question this is. Okay. Next one. According to Lavoisier, carbon dioxide is respirable air, chalky air, inhaled air, atmospheric air, chalky air. Next, lime water is converted into milky white due to the presence of carbon dioxide. The greater quantity of atmospheric air is of what it contains large quantity nitrogen, oxygen, carbon dioxide, water vapor. It is nitrogen. The process where food is broken down to release energy is uh, respiration. The respiratory organs in fish are gills. Okay, same repeated questions only, mostly they are there. So you please complete all this and do well. Okay, children. So in the next video, I shall be revising the third chapter. I told no on what basis I am going to ask the questions and in the final exam also. So please concentrate, go through the lesson thoroughly, key points, keywords, all the tables, flowcharts, all these you have to complete. Okay, children. Thank you for now.